Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with question number 6 of exercise 13.4, and the question is this: find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. You are given the surface area of the sphere is 154 centimeter square, and we have to find the radius of the sphere. To let the radius of the sphere is small r. According to question, this surface area of sphere is given by 4 pi r square. It means 4 pi r square is given 154. Just put the values. Pi 22 upon 7, r square is here. Is it there? So 4 pi 22 upon 7 into r square will be 154. Therefore, r square will be this 154 and 7 will be multiplied and divided by 4 into 22. Now 22 into 7, 154. So this will become 7 into 7 upon 4. 7 7 is 49 upon 4. So there, since r square is 49 upon 4, therefore r will be square root of 49 upon 4. When you will take the square root, you will get 7 7 is 49 and 2 2 is 4, which is 7 upon 2, and finally we will get 3.5 centimeter. Now this is question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Given है कि diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of the earth. Therefore, the radius of moon, that will be also 1/4 of radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. Question is this: find the ratio of their surface areas. Find the ratio of their surface areas. So let the radius of the earth is, this is capital R, and this is given by 4x. Therefore, radius of moon, which I am denoting with small r, this will be 1/4 of radius of earth, that is x. So what is the radius of moon then? That is x. Question is this: to find the ratio of their surface areas. Now surface area of moon and divided by surface area of earth. Just you can put here 4 pi. What is the radius of this one? Moon is small r square, and this will be 4 pi r square. Then you will get r square upon capital R square. This r square is x square, and this is 4x whole square. Okay, now just calculate it. This will become x square is x square, 4x whole square is 16 x square, यानी 1/16. Surface area of moon divided by surface area of earth is 1/16. Therefore, just look at this ratio. Surface area of moon ratio surface area of earth, this will be given by 1/16. 1/16. Is it okay? Now, this is question number 8. A hemispherical ball is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Find the outer CSA of the ball. कोई हेमिस्फेरिकल बाउल है जो कि जो है आपका स्टील से बना हुआ है, उसकी इनर रेडियस आपको गिवन है 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड द थिकनेस इज गिवन 0.25 सेंटीमीटर. आपको इसका आउटर CSA निकालना है. तो जस्ट लुक हियर. दिस इज ये है. दिस इज द इनर रेडियस, दिस मच गिवन है. Inner radius small r, that is given 5 centimeter. Okay, and this is the thickness from here to here. This is small r, and this is the from here to here. This is outer radius. So this outer radius will be equal to this thickness plus inner radius. So therefore, outer radius capital R will be thickness plus 5. The thickness is given how much? 0.25 centimeter. So when you will add them, you will get 5.25 centimeter. Question is this: find the outer CSA of the bowl. Now, outer curved surface area of the bowl, that will be given by, we will use the outer radius, which is 2 pi r square. 2 pi capital R square. Just put all the values. You will get 2 pi is mentioned in this question. Nothing. 22/7 into 5.25 whole square. Just take it out. 2 into 22/7 into 5.25 into 5.25. This will become 2 into 22 into, just look here, 7 7 ja 49 and into 5 into 5.25. Now we can just multiply them. This 2 into 0.75, 1.5 into 22, 1.5 into 22, this will become 33 into 5.25. 5.25. Now just multiply them, 3, this will become, and 15.75, 15.75, just add them, 5, 2, 3, this much, 173.25 centimeter square. This is the calculation. How much? 173.25 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the outer CSA of the bowl. Now this is question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. See the figure. कोई जो है राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर जो है एक स्पेयर को जस्ट इनक्लोज करता है, यानी स्पेयर उसके अंदर पूरी तरह से फिट आ जाता है इस तरीके से. सपोज दिस इज द cylinder and this is given in this way. इसके अंदर कोई स्पेयर जो है बिल्कुल जो है ये जो है कोई इस तरीके से फिट हो जाता है. इट्स ओके, दिस इज द स्पेयर. कुछ इस तरीके से जो है आपका ये फिट हो जाता है. क्वेश्चन इज दिस, अ राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर जस्ट इनक्लोजेज अ स्पेयर ऑफ रेडियस आर. गिवन है आपको दिस वन, दिस इज ऑल्सो द आर. गिवन है radius of sphere is equal to r, is equal to r. Now this is the cylinder. If this radius is r, this distance will also r, and this is now from here to here r plus r, which is 2r, which is 2r, and this is the height of cylinder. Now height of cylinder will be r plus r, which is 2r. यानी height of cylinder h is equal to 2r. h is equal to 2r. Question is this, find the CSA of the sphere, the first part. CSA of the sphere, that is given by 4 pi into radius square. Second part is this, you find the CSA of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder, and that is given by 2 pi into r into h. Now just put the values, 2 pi into r, or h is how much? 2r here. So just multiply them, 2 to the 4 pi, r into r is r square, 4 pi r square, and this is the third part. Ratio of the areas obtained in first and second. Now required ratio, required ratio is the ratio of CSA of sphere to CSA of cylinder, that is 4 pi r square. What is the CSA of sphere? 4 pi r square and divided by 4 pi r square, that is 1 upon 1. Therefore CSA of sphere ratio CSA of cylinder will be 1:1. 1:1. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.